Welcome to Aughnanure Castle, Connemara's best preserved late medieval tower house, poised dramatically on a rocky outcrop over the Drumneen River near Loch Corrib. We'll dive into the history of the castle in a second, but when you arrive you will park here at the parking lot and make your way up a 5-minute walk right up to the gated entrance. Constructed in the late 15th century by the powerful Gaelic O'Flaherty lords, the castle served as a stronghold for over 2 centuries, a striking symbol of their prestige and control over West Connacht. The structure evolved in phases, an inner wall enclosure from the 15th century, later supplemented by an outer bawn. In 1572, the castle was seized by the English forces under Sir Edward Fitton, and granted to Murroch na Tua O'Flaherty, a clan member who accepted the crown's authority, a strategic move that fractured the O'Flaherty power. After centuries of shifting hands and decline, Peadar O'Flaherty gifted Aughnanure to the Irish state in 1952. Restoration began in the 1960s, and by 1974 the castle reopened, now welcoming visitors eager to walk in the footsteps of Connemara's iconic Gaelic chieftains. If you get the chance to go down to Connemara, I highly recommend checking it out.